Hi everyone, I hope you're well. In this recipe I'll be sharing how I make this delicious Afghani Kofta curry. You can find the full list of ingredients I've used in the description box below. Make sure to click the subscribe button to see more of my content, and let's get started. To make the kofta, begin by cutting a large onion and adding it to a mixer along with a generous handful of fresh coriander. Mix these two for a few seconds. Next, add green chilli and mix for a further few seconds. Then add your minced beef and mix all of the ingredients together for about 30 seconds. Add the mixture to a bowl and add your seasoning and garlic paste. Mix the spices and the mince together well by either using a spatula or your hands. Take the mince and make golf-sized meatballs. You can wet your hands with water to help you make smoother koftas. To make the curry, begin by adding oil into a pan. Cook the onion until it is golden in color. Add chopped garlic and cook for a further minute. Next, add your tomato puree and cook with the onions until the oil separates. Next, add your seasoning and spices to flavor the curry. Mix well and cook for a minute. Add 2 cups of hot water and bring the curry to a light boil. Gently add the meatballs one at a time. Be really careful not to use any cooking utensil because this can break the meatballs. Carefully tip the pan from side to side to cover the meatballs in the curry. Be extra careful not to break the meatballs. Cover with the lid and allow to cook for 25 to 30 minutes on medium-high heat. Boil your chana daal until it's about 90% cooked. If you want this to be a quicker process, you can also use a pressure cooker. Once the chana daal is soft, add it to the curry and stir gently. You can see the consistency of the gravy is thicker here, so add extra water to meet your preference. I'm adding 1 cup of hot water. Cover the lid and cook for 10 minutes on low heat. This ensures that everything is well cooked by the end. Garnish with fresh coriander and a wedge of lemon and serve with rice. Thanks for watching my recipe. Head over to my channel where you can find more easy and tasty recipes to try. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Follow me on Instagram and tag me on any of my recipes that you try and make yourself. Until next time, take care, bye!